Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome to my very first YouTube video. Today I'm sharing with you how I turned our old kitchen countertop into a new one. So this is what it looked like before when we've just moved in. I didn't like the color and it looked very old and used, so that's why I decided to give this kitchen countertop a makeover. For this DIY you will need a silicone caulk, marble contact paper, a knife, some scissors, and I also suggest having a card to remove any bubbles while sticking the paper. First you will need to clean the surface. Make sure you remove everything. I'm starting out with measuring the contact paper and checking how and where I'm going to place it. Once you've applied the contact paper, make sure you use your card. It's going to help you get a nicer and smoother surface. The nice thing about contact paper is that if you've made a mistake, you can lift it up and place it again. So now we have come to the most difficult part. You can either remove the tap if that's possible for you to make this job easier, or you can leave it and try to work around it. It can be a little time consuming, but I promise you, it's For the edges, I use some double-sided tape to stick the paper underneath. It's not necessary to use a tape, but I think this works best for me. The last step is to use the caulk to fill in the corners so water doesn't seep in and get beneath the contact paper. And that's it, guys. It took me around 2 hours to finish this DIY. So this is the final look. I'm absolutely in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and if you would love to see more videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!